What if you've got multiple shipping methods on your WooCommerce store, like free shipping and a flat rate? I want the free shipping to be the only thing visible when you hit $40 in your cart as the total. And if you're under $40, I want the flat rate, but I don't want to see both options. Now, there are plugins out there, and I've covered them in videos, but this is how you can enable to only show one of these depending on the value. So if I leave this at $19.99 with one item, only the flat rate should be available. If I go and increase this to say before so that we're way over the $40, only the free shipping should be visible. But you can see here that we're still getting the $9.99 applied. Well, this is how you sort it out with a free code snippet, which is in the video description. Make sure you got the code snippets plugin that you can get for free from the WordPress repository. Go in, copy and paste this in. Go and change the value over here. This is pretty important. So what is the threshold? If you might want to reduce it to 20 or you might want to go up to 50, it's entirely up to you. The second important thing you need to do is make sure you have defined what is the actual slug for your flat rate and your free shipping. Now, I want to make clear, this is where you may fall over. So when I did my WooCommerce settings and you add your shipping method, you're just going to see free shipping and flat rate. And if you go to editing, there is no slug there. Now, inside of my code, I've got flat rate :4 and free shipping :3. So how did I know what number to add there? If we go back to my cart page, the simplest and easiest way to do it is to right click and go to inspect, or you could go to view page source. Now I'm going to show you the view page source because sometimes if you go to inspect, you might miss it. I'm now going to do Control F or Command F if you're using a Mac, and I'm going to type in free shipping and you can see it appear there. If you then scroll over to the left, you're going to see the values: free shipping :3, flat rate :4. You got to make sure you do that. Now, the reason I've got 3 and 4, even though I only got 2 shipping methods, is because this is my dummy test website. Now, if you're building from scratch, the normal logic is the first one you add will have :1, the second one you add will be :2. But if ever you've been messing around with your website or you're a little bit uncertain, just go and inspect and get your codes and then just go and pop them in. So I'm saying that when you exceed the threshold, hide the flat rate. And when you are below the threshold, hide the free shipping. Because the free shipping only kicks in when you exceed the threshold of 40. So we're going to hit save changes and we're going to activate. We go back over to my cart page. I can still see both. Don't worry, let's refresh the page. Our value is still $79.96. We are over the $40 threshold. And look, it now only says free shipping. And you can see here there is no $9.99. Let's go and change that to be a 1 or even a 2 so that we're below the 40 threshold. You hit update, we're below it. And you can now see the flat rate $9.99 is available, and it has now added it to the total. And just to prove to you, look, if I pop it to free, we're over, the free shipping kicks in. That's a free code snippet without you having to use a third-party plugin. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.